Plat, bel I gyfeiriad Piers. Mi oedd Gareth Edwards yn ei chanol I hefyd yma. Alex Darlington, Andy Owens yn gael amdani yn mynd at George Piers. Piers I roi Airbus ar y blaen. Oh, George Piers. Crafu'r postyn. A Leo Smith. Bel I gyfeiriad. Brookwell. Mi gafodd o ryddid I droi gan amddiffyn Airbus. Ellwch chi'n gwneud yna efo Danny Brookwell. Williams. I gyfeiriad y Breeze. Dyma Danny Brookwell. Brookwell. Yr ergyd. Mae'n disgyn I Breeze. Jamie Breeze. Yr ergyd gan Brookwell. Ddylia Breeze di sgorio. Williams, o llac, syth at Sam Hart. Mae Hart wedi gweld bod yna le gan Andy Owens. Owens I roi Airbus ar y blaen o arbediad campus gan Alex Ramsey. O, pas hyfryd, rheolaeth dda. Ond yna'r arbediad yn un gwych. Williams, mae Jamie Breeze. Hart ar I waro. Mae Hart dal yna. Breeze yn benderfynol. O, Dave Roberts, o, sfonach! Ac yn I rwystro hi ar y funud ola. Mi oedd o tu ôl I chdi, Dave. Williams. Ar tafliad y cyffuriad bach gan Leo Smith. That's Breeze! Breeze yn agos. A droed y cofis ar y blaen. Curtis Strong. O, na chi. Bas ragorol a George Piers. Feddylia fod yr ymwelwyr ar y blaen. George Piers, ond mi ath Alex Ramsey'n dda yndo. Danny Brookwell. Ydy o'n mynd ar un o'r hediadau nodweddiadol na. Ydy wir mae o. Brookwell. Dyma Smith. Smith yn I gosod ti I Darren Thomas! O, cracar gan Thomas! Wel, gol y penwythnos. Gol y mis, gol y tymor efalla. Williams ar tafed erbyn I nôl gan Leo Smith. Gwiriad yn disgyn I Bradley. Sean Bradley yn dyblu'r fantais. Hyfryd gan y cofis. Chydig bach o look yn fanna. Mi oedd Bradley yn gryfach na Hart. Dim gobaith I Roberts. Ryan Williams. Hart ar peniad. Thomas ymlaen at Bradley. O, mae Thomas wedi parhau ar hediad. Gwych, rhagorol, ardderchog. Defnyddiwch ban soddair da chi'n dymuno. Darren Thomas, y cofi Messi. Caernarfon. O, maen nhw ar dan. Dyma Leo Smith. Darren Thomas fan o le gan Sean Bradley. Mae Smith wedi barhau a'i rediad. Leo Smith, Darren Thomas, Sean Bradley. Y tri gŵr doeth. Dim ond y camel sydd ar goll. Palmer. Williams ar peniad, Kavanagh, o, na chi bas hyfryd at Sam Jones, rheolaeth fynd efo heibio Hart, heibio I Roberts, mae hi'n bumed! Sam Jones yn coroni'r perfformiad. O, ardderchog gan y cofis, y bas yna gan Kavanagh, ac yna Sam Jones, yr hyder I fynd heibio 1, 2, a'i gwneud hi'n 5.
First half was nowhere near good enough from our standards, especially recently as well. But second half, I think going forward, at times I think we were frightening, to be fair, and we've scored some really good goals. You know, it's probably going to take a little bit of magic, to be fair, for the deadlock to be broken. And Darren's produced that. It's probably a goal of the season contender, to be fair, already. But from that, we kicked on. It seemed to lift the lads a little bit, and like I said, mate, it was going to take something, special, and that certainly was. And 5 goals in a clean sheet, can't complain about that, really.
It's been frustrating the past few weeks, sitting on the bench, getting 10 minutes here and there, and I've been speaking to Sean saying that I want to get more minutes, but came on today, showed him what I'm made of to get the goal, and it's buzzing because that'll give me the confidence then to carry on, maybe push more for more goals and maybe get myself into the starting 11 more. Everywhere I go, everywhere I score, my dad's always in front of me, so he's the first person I see when I scored.
To be fair, there was a few doing the rounds this week. Obviously, his goal against TNS a couple of years ago, you know, the famous wall of Caernarfon is certainly up there, but you know, Darren's got that in the locker, and you know, he just said to me there at the end that he's going to retire now. But no, I mean, full credit to him. Darren can produce little bits of magic. Similar in training, he probably won't like me for saying it, but he'd be quiet. Then all of a sudden, he just comes up with a bit of magic. But you know, he's in a real purple patch at the minute, Darren, and as long as that continues for us, you know, it's a big positive for us, a big plus.